Optima Chisel Plane. The Optima Chisel Plane is a fantastic tool for anyone who loves working with wood. It combines the sharpness of a chisel with the smooth control of a hand plane, making it perfect for trimming, shaping, and smoothing wood with ease. If you've ever had trouble getting into tight corners or fixing uneven surfaces, this tool solves that problem. Its super sharp blade can shave off thin layers of wood effortlessly, even in spots where regular planes can't reach. Whether you're adjusting joints, cleaning glue, or refining detailed parts like dovetails, the Optima gives you precise and clean results every time. It's built with a strong, comfortable grip that feels good in your hand and a high-quality steel blade made to last. This chisel plane is a must-have for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY fans who want to work faster and more accurately. It helps you polish your work to perfection and makes tricky jobs much easier. Out-in Nano Portable Espresso Machine. The Out-in Nano Portable Espresso Machine is perfect for coffee lovers who want their favorite brew anytime, anywhere. Whether you're camping in the woods, traveling on the road, or just need a quick espresso at work, this small and lightweight machine has you covered. It's super fast. It heats up in just 3 seconds and gives you a fresh shot of espresso in under a minute. You don't need to plug it in or carry any heavy setup. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, you can enjoy coffee wherever you are without needing electricity. Its sleek and easy-to-hold design makes it super convenient to carry in your bag or backpack. The best part? It works with both ground coffee and coffee capsules, so you can pick what suits you best. The Out-in Nano is not only handy, but also stylish and simple to use. Just add water, coffee, and press a button. Your espresso is ready. The Hemloft is a small, cozy treehouse shaped like an egg that hangs high up in the forest. It feels like a secret hideaway tucked away in the trees, perfect for anyone who loves nature and adventure. Built by a Canadian carpenter as a personal project, this unique treehouse looks like a little wooden pod floating among the branches. Even though it's small, the Hemloft has enough space to relax, sleep, and enjoy amazing views of the forest all around you. It's made from light wood and carefully balanced so it hangs safely without hurting the trees. There's no electricity or running water inside, which makes it the perfect place to disconnect from busy life and technology. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, feeling fresh air, and watching stars through the tree branches at night. The Hemloft is great for anyone wanting a peaceful, simple escape where you can slow down and enjoy nature's beauty. Whether you want a quiet retreat or a fun adventure, this tiny treehouse offers a magical experience that you won't forget. Isabella Camplet Passion Tent Stakes are a game changer for campers who want both convenience and durability. Priced at just $25 for a set of 4, these stakes come with built-in LED lights that offer several lighting modes. The lights can run for a full day on just one AAA battery, making your campsite safer and easier to navigate after dark. These stakes are not only smart, but tough too. They have an IPX6 water resistance rating, meaning they can withstand heavy rain without any trouble. Each stake is 23 centimeters long and weighs only 36 grams without batteries, so they're super lightweight and easy to carry in your camping gear. Made from 6000 series aluminum alloy, the same strong material used in car windows and doors, these stakes are built to last and hold your tent firmly in place. For around $140, you can get a full kit that includes these LED stakes plus other useful camping gear. Hammock Outpost. The Hammock Outpost is a game changer for campers who love hammocks but don't always have trees around. Priced at $499, this portable hammock stand lets you set up a comfy spot to relax or sleep on almost any surface. Made from lightweight aluminum, it's super easy to carry and attach to your vehicle using a quick-release ball hitch. The stand is 12 feet long, which makes it perfect for taller people, and it works great with Hammock hammocks. You can set it up in just 1 minute. No tools needed. It fits many types of vehicle racks, like crossbars, basket racks, and platform styles, so you can take it wherever you want. Plus, the Outpost comes with a tarp ridgeline to keep you dry and protected from the weather. Whether you're camping in a spot without trees or want a quick, reliable way to hang your hammock, the Hammock Outpost makes outdoor sleeping simple and comfortable. It's a smart choice for any adventure lover who wants to rest easy anywhere. King Camp Con Palace Tent KT2D401. The King Camp Con Palace Tent KT2D401 is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy camping with a touch of luxury. Priced around $1,399, this tent is big, beautiful, and built to handle the outdoors with ease. Made from strong canvas fabric and supported by sturdy aluminum poles, it's tough enough to handle different weather conditions while still offering a cozy feel. Setting it up may take a little time, but with the included instructions and tools, it's totally doable, even if you're not a camping expert. Once it's up, the tent gives you loads of space to sleep, eat, or just relax. It's great for families or groups of friends who want to stretch out and enjoy nature without feeling cramped. The design is elegant and eye-catching, making it feel more like a mini home than a tent. Whether you're planning a glamping getaway or a big outdoor adventure, the KT2401 gives you the comfort of home right in the wild. The King Camp Lona 250 sleeping bag is your go-to choice for staying warm and comfortable on any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping in the mountains, on a road trip, or just having fun in your backyard, this sleeping bag is made to keep you cozy. It has a super soft flannel lining on the inside that feels like your bed at home, while the tough, water-resistant outer shell keeps you dry in damp conditions. Designed for cool to mild weather, it features lightweight hollow fiber insulation that holds in warmth without making the bag heavy or bulky. One of the best things about the Lona 250 is its roomy design. You'll have plenty of space to move around inside so you don't feel trapped. The full-length zipper makes it easy to get in and out, and you can also unzip it completely to turn it into a large blanket. It's perfect for chilly nights in a tent or relaxing around a campfire. Claris CL2 Camping Lantern. The Claris CL2 is a must-have for anyone who loves camping or spending time outdoors. This handy lantern not only lights up your campsite with bright, clear light, up to 750 lumens, but it also charges your phone and other devices with its powerful 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It has 7 different light modes, like torchlight, SOS signal, red flashing light, warm white, and cool white, so you can pick the right light for whatever you're doing. The lantern's light bulbs can fold 90 degrees, letting you shine the light exactly where you need it without bothering others around you. Plus, it has a special eye protection feature that gives you natural, flicker-free light, which is easier on your eyes during those long nights outside. The Claris CL2 is tough, lasts a long time, and costs just $59, making it a smart and affordable choice. The Climate Hydro Spray Pump is a super useful gadget for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. It easily attaches to Climate water reservoirs and turns them into a handy spray system that delivers pressurized water whenever you need it. Whether you want to wash off dirt from your gear, clean up after a sweaty hike, or just cool down with a refreshing spray on a hot day, this pump has got you covered. It's small, lightweight, and won't take up much space in your backpack, making it perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone who loves adventure. The Hydro Spray Pump is simple to use and adds a lot of convenience to your outdoor trips. Instead of struggling with messy bottles or no water at all, you get a steady stream of water right when you want it. Priced around $25, it's affordable and a smart addition to your gear. If you want to stay fresh, clean, and comfortable while exploring nature, the Climate Hydro Spray Pump is an easy and practical choice that makes your outdoor experience better and more enjoyable. Chris Vector 45 ACP Alpine White. The Chris Vector 45 ACP is a cool, compact submachine gun that many gamers know from popular games like Call of Duty and Battlefield. It looks different from most guns and costs about $1,720. What makes this gun special is how it's designed to be small but super accurate.